In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the Chrome PDF viewer in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want PDFs to open directly in Google Chrome instead of downloading automatically, or if you prefer Chrome to download PDF files to your computer every time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where you'll find Chrome's main settings and options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Now you're inside the Chrome settings page. On the left side, or sometimes by scrolling through the page depending on your browser layout, click Privacy and Security. This section controls a lot of the permissions and content behavior inside Chrome. After that, click Site Settings. Inside Site Settings, scroll down until you see Additional Content Settings. Click that to expand more options. This is where Chrome keeps extra file and content preferences, including the settings for PDF documents. Now click PDF Documents. Here you'll see the option that controls how Chrome handles PDF files. If you want to enable the Chrome PDF viewer, select Open PDFs in Chrome. This tells Chrome to open PDF files directly in the browser instead of downloading them. If you want to disable the Chrome PDF viewer, select Download PDFs instead. This will make Chrome download PDF files to your device whenever you click one, rather than opening it in a browser tab. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable or disable the Chrome PDF viewer in Google Chrome. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the setting. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.